You can use the inflation kit to repair a damaged tyre as long as any punctures are not on the sidewall and did not exceed 4 mm. Before carrying out the repair, park your vehicle away from traffic. Turn on your hazard warning lights and remember to apply your parking brake. Depending on the model, connect or screw the compressor hose to the bottle. Next, connect the inflation bottle connector to the valve on the wheel. Finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessories socket. The tyre pressure specifications are on the driver's side door frame. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor to achieve the required pressure. If a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached after 15 minutes, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. If, on the other hand, the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. When the repair is done, drive for about 2 miles or 3 kilometers at below 35 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, in order to distribute the product uniformly in the tyre. Then stop and check the pressure. Please note that tyre pressures should only be checked when tyres are cold. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than recommended, readjust it with the inflation kit. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar, this means that a repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. Please note this repair is only temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour for a distance of no more than 120 miles or 200 kilometers. It's essential to have your tyre repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible.